right, everyone, we are on to the very last step of Octavia. She is all matted. We've washed her. We've let her dry for quite a few hours. And now we're going to do the last step of just shining up her little fingertips, her toes, her mouth, inside her nose, her lips, and her eyelids, and maybe a little bit into the ears. I've already done the fingertips and the toes. I don't know if you can see that. I'll draw in. But there's the fingertips there. They're shiny. I don't know if you can see that, but I just want them to have a slight shine to them. And I'm just using the 110 and the part A. That is what you do to silicone the whole baby and then do that matte powder finish that I showed you guys, which she's got under her right there inside the bucket. I'm using that just to hold her arm up. But after you do that and you rinse off, you know, that matte finish after 3 hours, 3 to 4. I was saying 4, but you can do it in 3 hours. And you just rinse with a like lukewarm water. You don't want to do too hot, just a lukewarm water. And I'll put it on the screen right there for you guys. And then just rinse her off real quick. Rinse your baby off real quick, both sides, just to get the top layer off. The rest of that matte finish would have, you know, went into the baby. They still feel just slightly a little tacky, but not bad. She's pretty soft. I am going to baby powder her like I did little Abel, but they do feel pretty soft. And I am going to get some of that silicone velvet. I'll put it on the screen right there, because that one is used both after a painting to matte them, but can also be used to use as a baby powder, and it's just silky soft. I've watched many videos and they just say it's the best, and that doesn't have to be rinsed off, but this powder here does. This one here, I guess the company said that has to be washed off. She doesn't feel like you would have to wash her off, because she just feels so nice and soft. But because they said it, I'm going to go ahead and listen to them and rinse it off. And I'm just going to baby powder her for now. Like I said, because she is soft feeling, but maybe just slightly a little tacky, just a little bit. So I am going to baby powder her like I did little Abel until I get that silicone velvet. And then that should last for weeks on end. It's supposed to make them silky soft, and you just need a small dusting. So I'm going to go ahead and shine up the eyes. I do got it out here on the palette here. You guys probably can't see. I've got her turned just so you guys can see it a little better. But you don't need a lot. And we're just like Abel. We're just going to go inside the eyelid. I just like the eyes because they're closed. I like them to be slightly wet looking. I don't know if everybody does this with the babies. I've seen it. When I did get her, she did have hers wet like that. So some people do it, some people don't. So it's, I guess, a preference, whatever you like. I like it to be wet inside because babies, you know, they just like us when we're sleeping, you know, they cry and their eyes get wet, and, you know, they leak and everything because they're babies. So their eyes leak. I mean, just like us, when we wake up, we get that sleep in our eyes and everything. Well, babies would have the same thing. So I really like to have it inside the eyes and a little bit, you know, under, because the eyes are closed. So I like it to have the shine to it. So yeah, just shine that up if you want that. Again, that's preference of you, you know, yourself. I do have a little tweezers here just to pick off anything I find on her that, you know, I don't want to get into her silicone. So, you know, where I'm doing the silicone. So I'm just making sure that if I find any little pieces that I pick them off right away off the baby. But I'm so pleased with her, you guys. Oh my gosh, another success. She is just gorgeous and so lifelike. I might want to do, well, I'm going to go inside the nose. I don't know. I'm not sure if I did little Abel, if I did the because, you know, baby's nose runs and stuff. That's why I've been going in the nose with her. And it was shiny prior to doing her painting. But anyways, little Abel, I think I went down in this area of his eye and got it a little bit wet. Only though the reason I did that was because being a preemie, they would be putting on that Vaseline. And I do like to go down the nose like this because it does make it look like their nose is running a little bit. And of course, babies crying all the time, their nose is going to run. All right, I am going to go inside her mouth. I do have to open it up a little bit though. And shine up her tongue and stuff like that. Even though I didn't paint the inside, because her tongue and everything inside is really good, I didn't paint that part. I didn't have to. But just because I did that matte finish, just in case she got a little bit of matte, you know, in there, I just want to give her a fresh coat of shine, and it'll help protect her paint that's already there, because she had a great paint job, you know. She did have a beautiful paint job inside her mouth. Her tongue and everything was really, really good. So I'm going to go inside here and really shine this up. And the gums, she's got beautiful gums. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she does. She has beautiful gums. So I'll try to get better pictures of that after I'm, done and she's dried up. Then I'll try to get you guys pictures of that. So let me just make sure I get a good layer of this inside. I hope I'm not in the camera. And just getting a nice good coat of this. I will look after to see if I need any more. But I'm going to shine up her lips now. Now, they don't have to be super shiny, the lips. I just want them to have a little bit of a shine to them instead of such a matte finish. I do like the lips a little bit shiny. And again, she was shiny when I got her. She had shinier lip, not shiny, but just a nice little thin coat of the shine on them. So I like to have that on the lips. It just, brings more character to the baby, I believe. It just makes them more lifelike. So yeah, just get a little shine to the lips. And this is pure silicone, so that's good. But I just want to make sure, I might have to put a toothpick in there, because with doing the silicone like this, it could close off on her, that part, and I don't want that to happen. So I might have to stick a little toothpick in her mouth, like I did that first time. You guys would have seen me doing that with her. So let's just go down the nose a little bit more here with her. Okay, it's wet inside the nose. I'm going to do a little bit more. Just so I know that that stays nice there. And then I think I'm gonna go around just the ears just a little bit, because I know I did with Abel. I just kind of shined it up just a little bit. And all the little ear, the ear canal part, I shine that up a little bit on him too. I don't know why, but I just kind of like that step just to be a little bit shiny inside. Like you'll see here, how I'm doing it here. I just go in all these little spots here. And again, it's just a small little coat I'm doing. It's going to barely be shiny on, like, her eyes are a little bit more shiny and her nose and stuff. But this step here isn't going to be super shiny. It's just a little coat like that, just to kind of bring more character to it. Again, as an artist, we just do things how we see fit and how we think that the baby would just, have more life to it. And I just like it a little bit in the area of the ears. And that's just a water drop there. I think that's everything. I want to look at little Abel quick to see, did I put any wetness there? No, I didn't. Okay. All right. I did not put any in this area. It was just the eyes. So I'm going to put a little bit more on her eyes. Just a little bit more. Kind of going down the eye just a little bit. And a little bit more on this side. Like, you don't have to just get it in the crease. It can go down the eye just a little bit. Just, whatever you feel you like. I'm just going to kind of just wipe a little bit of that away. Like that. Yeah, I really like the way that looks. That looks cute on her. I like her eyes wet like that. Okay, her nose looks good. Everything looks good. I think that's it. Like I said, I've got the fingertips done, the toes done. I'm just going to go over and check everything. And then I'm going to put her away for overnight. I'm just going to leave her overnight now just to completely dry, because the silicone, after I washed her, was dry, but she has a few water spots. So I just want her to completely be dry. And then I'm going to powder her up and do another video tomorrow, an outtake of her. I'll do an up close and personal of her, showing all the areas that I was able to fix from the peeling and just the coloration I gave her. She's just absolutely gorgeous. And I'll take pictures of her for you guys, so you see the before and after, how I just gave her so much more life and color to her. And yet she's different from Abel. She's not like a super red baby like he is. But yeah, I've just enjoyed myself so much, and loved doing this. It was the hardest project I've ever done as an artist, but it was the most fun. It was back wrenching and just really tough. You really got to get that matte powder down really, really good, you guys. Really, practice with that, because that last step, that powder finish, is just crazy. If you have even just slightly too much of that silicone and then you do the powder, it literally can clump and crystallize. It's just really bad. She didn't, but almost she could have. And I'm thinking, whoa, this is a very expensive baby. A $3,000 baby. We can't have her crystallize. So I was able to stop that process, but I'm just saying it's not easy, you guys. So really, really, really consider when you're doing these babies, just practice, please practice with that silicone, the silicone and the powder finish at the end. Really practice with that. But anyways, I will give you guys one more video on her of an up close and personal, and then we'll do before and after photos. And I have a really cute outfit to put her in for you guys that I'm going to do for the end of that video too. That'll be the last video you guys will get. So after this one, you'll get one more, and it'll be the last video just showing her up close and personal and before and afters. So, all right, you guys. Well, we will see you in the very next video. So everybody take care and God bless.